In every moment of silence, in every breath there is a reminder that we are not alone. Look around you, the sky, the trees, the air, the people, all of it exists by the will of Allah. He is the master of all worlds, the seen and the unseen. When the world turns its back on you, He is the one who remains when your heart feels heavy and words can't express your pain. He already knows. He hears what you don't say. He answers even when you forget to ask. All praise is for Allah, for the blessings we count and for the trial that shape us, for the strength in our weakness, for the peace in our prayers, and for the light in our darkness. He is Ar-Rahman, the most merciful. He is Al-Wakil, the one who takes care of our affairs. Whether you are in a crowded room or alone in the dark, He is with you closer than your heartbeat. So pause for a moment and say it your soul. Alhamdulillah, all praise is for Allah, the Lord of all the worlds.